President Duterte says there is no proof that the family of the late strongman Ferdinand Marcos amassed ill-gotten wealth. He said this over the two-decade regime. Marian Enriquez with the story.
President Rodrigo Duterte has raised doubts about the alleged ill-gotten wealth amassed by the late strongman Ferdinand Marcos.
Until now, you have not proven anything except to sequester and sell. Hindi mo nga sigurado kung talagang kay Marcos ba yan.
A staunch critic of Marcos, human rights lawyer and former Senator Rene Saguisag, brushed aside Duterte's remarks. Saguisag served as executive secretary and spokesperson of former President Cory Aquino, who initiated the recovery of Marcos and his cronies' ill-gotten wealth.
Ano yan, para sa comic section siguro. Dahil palabiro yung Pangulo natin eh. I think he was just joking.
Saguisag recalled the time he was in Davao to protest against the ill-gotten wealth of the Marcoses. He was with none other than the mother of the president, Soledad Roa Duterte, also known as Davao's leading Yellow Friday movement activist.
Kaya yan ang one of our cries nung nagmamarcha kami nung nanay niya sa Davao. Nakaw na yaman, ibalik sa bayan. Itong bilyones na ito, ang source kung bakit nagkaroon ng Human Rights Compensation Act at nabayaran na yung mga claimants, may kita 10,000, no?
Former senator also stressed the unanimous decision of the Supreme Court on July 15, 2003, awarding the Philippine government the Swiss bank deposits of the late dictator, amounting to $658 million.
Sinungaling ba itong mga mahistradong ito? Sila ba'y maggagawa ng desisyon na o-orderan yung bilyones ibalik kung walang matibay na katibayan na yun pinakinabangan ng mga mandarambong ng mga Marcoses. Kaya to me, he should clarify. Baka na naman balikan tayo. Kayo naman di na nabiro.
Human rights lawyer Shel Jokno, who is now running as senator under Ocho Derecho, has also expressed concern over Duterte's remark. His father was the late opposition Senator Jose Jokno, who was arrested when Marcos declared martial law.
Nakakatakot yung mga salitang ganyan dahil kung parang ay binabago nila ang ating kasaysayan.
Former Solicitor General Florin Hilbay meanwhile said Duterte's remark could affect the prosecutor's morale on investigating the ill-gotten wealth of the Marcoses.
Pag yung presidente mismo yung nagsabi na he doubts, yung ill-gotten wealth ng mga Marcoses, paano na lang yung mga prosecutors natin sa ombudsman, paano na lang yung mga abogado natin sa Office of the Solicitor General, manlulumo sila, mawawalan sila ng gana na manghabol.
The Presidential Commission on Good Government has recovered around 171 billion pesos from the Marcos family and its cronies since 1986. 2 years ago, Duterte revealed that the Marcoses have expressed readiness to return wealth amassed during the 20-year reign of the late strongman. Reporting for News 5, Marian Enriquez, we are One News.